What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to add an offline screen to your Twitch, so basically make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, how to add a Twitch offline screen. So there are a couple of ways. So in the creator dashboard, select settings in the menu, then select channel and finally click on the brand tab. From there you simply need to scroll down until you find the video player banner options. By clicking on the update button you can select the image that will be displayed on your stream while you are offline. So how to do it? Well, basically in creators dashboard, select settings. So as you can see over here, select settings, select channel and finally click on the brand tab. So from there you simply need to scroll down until you find the video player banner options. By clicking on the update button you can select the image that will be displayed on your stream while you are offline, as you can see over here. You can find offline screens that are pre-made, or you can create your own offline screen by using tools that basically allow you to customize pictures. So basically that is a sort of a banner that stands on your stream while you are offline. So that is the way to how to do it. You need to go to your creator dashboard, select settings and follow these steps that I mentioned earlier. So basically guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.